Quick note: the following is a presentation for entertainment purposes only. Copyright notice: do not distribute my videos in whole, as it is prohibited. If you copy my video, your video will get taken down. Important note: this video will contain valid EAS emergency alert system tones. If you play these tones on the air, these tones may activate same tech that activates the emergency alert system. If you play these tones on the air, you may be fined or arrested, as playing valid EAS tones on the air is a federal crime.
$7016, call now.
Hi, Billy Mays here for OxyClean, the stain specialist. Powered by the air you breathe, activated by the water that you and I drink. It's Mother Nature approved, then it's safe on your colored fabrics. Use it on carpets. OxyClean seeks out organic stains, pet stains, food stains that get down into the matting, into the padding. It even takes red wine and grape juice out of white carpeting. It cleans, it brightens, and eliminates odors all at the same time. Don't just get it clean, get it OxyClean. Make a pay.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando Police Department and the Orange County Division of Emergency Services. A dangerous riot is currently occurring near Disney World in Orlando, Florida. All residents of Orange County must shelter in place immediately. If you participate in these riots, you will be arrested. If you are caught outside near the Disney World theme park, you will be detained on the spot and questioned. An all-clear message will be issued when the riots have ended. Monitor your local news outlets regarding this situation.
TV for his bedroom. All he can afford is $59 a month. You know he got all them children.
73 inches, baby.
Boss lady, this man needs air conditioning. It's hot on the streets, and he only can pay $49.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kissimmee Police Department. Dangerous insurrection is occurring at the Gaylord Palms Hotel at the resort. All residents within a 1-mile radius of the resort must shelter in place immediately. If you participate in these riots, you will be arrested and questioned. If you're caught outside at this time, you will be detained. In addition, it has not been found the cause of the riot at the Disney World theme park. The theme park characters from the successful TV show Mickey Mouse has come to life and have started attacking children under the age of 13 and adults under the age of 45. If Mickey Mouse attacks you, call 911 immediately.
Time to bomb this place. This is the perfect target. Yes.
What the fuck is bro doing?
Everybody has let me down. Now it's time for all of you to pay. You fucking showboater.
Are you seriously calling me a showboater, you little fucking dipshit? Get your lazy fucking ass over here right now. square up.
I have a better idea, you little fuckface. Say goodbye! Fuck you all! You've all let me down! Fuck you all!
Extremely dangerous explosion at the Central Florida Resort and Botanical Gardens. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Orange County Sheriff's Office, the Florida Highway Patrol, and the Orlando Police Department. A dangerous fire is occurring at the Central Florida Resort and Botanical Gardens. This is an extremely dangerous situation. All residents within a 30-mile radius of the Central Florida Resort and Botanical Gardens must shelter in place immediately, as these explosions have caused extremely dangerous fires that have black smoke that are capable of causing death or breathing problems if humans are exposed. In addition, reports from residents have come in stating that they saw the Disney character from the successful TV show Mickey Mouse roaming around in the real world, and have been attacking civilians. If Mickey Mouse attacks, call 911 immediately. An all-clear message will be issued when the riots have ended. Monitor local news outlets for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando Police Department. All clear. The Orlando Police Department has overpowered Mickey Mouse, and Mickey Mouse has been killed. Mickey Mouse is no longer a threat to civilians. Normal programming may now resume.